ולסיום, שוב גבריאל בטלר, בבקשה.
Face the final curtain, my friend, say it clear. I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I travel each and every byway and more. Much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I have a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, that I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when they were down, I chewed it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall and did it my way. I've lived, laughed and cried, had my fears, my share of losing, and now the tears subside. I find them oh, so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he is not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way. Thank you. ערב טוב.